Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unblock a contact or phone number on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down the list until you find the option called Apps. Tap on it. Once you're inside Apps, scroll down the list until you find the option called Phone. Tap on it. Inside the phone settings, scroll again and look for the section labeled Blocked Contacts. Tap on Blocked Contacts to open the full list. Now you'll see every number and contact currently blocked on your iPhone. Find the one you want to unblock. Once you locate the contact, tap on Edit in the top right corner. You'll see a red minus symbol icon appear next to each blocked number. Tap the minus icon next to the contact you want to unblock. As soon as you do this, the number will be removed from the blocked list. So that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video to support the channel.